Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys screen speed setting, how to turn off. Friends, you don't want to use, you want to stop guys split screen setting in your iqoo mobile. So by how to use it one by one, step by step friends we will talk about, and how to stop split screen setting we will talk about one by one and step by step. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting, by how to stop split screen setting in iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, open your phone shortcut and accessibility setting. After turn on phone shortcut and accessibility setting, friends click here second option smart split setting, and friends click here enter split screen setting, and friends stop your split screen setting. Slide up with three finger to split screen setting. We will stop. After stop friends, open your YouTube app, and friends you cannot use split screen setting in your YouTube app. Friends, again if you on your split screen setting, you can enable. After enable friends, you can use dual screen. After split screen, you can add one more screen and you can use. Example friends, I will add here Play Store screen. So with YouTube app, I can use Play Store app. So friends, you want to stop your split screen setting, click here and you can stop. After stop friends, you cannot use split screen setting. So like that friends, we can stop split screen from phone setting, and you want to use, again you can on from here. So I hope friends you understood how to stop split screen in iqoo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you even doubt you have any problem in iqoo mobile, you can ask me in comment section friends. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends, and before going guys, please go and like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye friends.